can carry a certain weight or load, but it can be pretty difficult to determine how strong a paper cup is or how much of a load it can carry. Single cup cannot carry a load of a 120-pound human being. But if one were to distribute his or her entire weight evenly over many cups, the cups collectively may be able to hold their entire weight. By finding out how many cups it takes to carry a load of a 120-pound human being, I can determine the load of a single cup. Let's try 10. See what happened? Alright, now I can start setting up 12 cups. In my experiment, as you can see, down, I found that 10 cups were not enough to hold my 120-pound weight. However, 12 cups were enough to support that amount of weight. Thus, each cup was not able to hold 12 pounds, but each cup was able to hold 10 pounds. Therefore, the load of the paper cup could carry, for the specific cups I tested, was somewhere between 10 and 12 pounds. One paper cup cannot support a single person, but many cups working together distributed weight can.